Randall and Rueff doesn't do it for the money. He just loves to take pictures. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I'm Randall and Rueff. My call sign is
K9RMR.
We're on my QRZ.com page right now. But now, in this video, we're going to www.gigaparts.com. Boom. And there's my... I'm trying to win some free radio. Call sign K9RMR. Email is Randall Matthew Rueff at Comcast.net. Phone number. Don't call me, I'll call you. I always say that every night now. Okay, second time. Okay, what type of antenna connector is used on the 70cm antenna port? I don't know. Alright, let's see. No. That's not what we want. Okay, it's amazing. No. Okay, hold on. Oh. It does look very nice, you gotta admit. Type in. I think that's what we want right there. Let's see. What type of antenna connector is used on the 70cm type N? Type N. Is that one of the answers? According to this, type N. Boom!